When I saw the price tag of $63.95 on it, I was kind of feeling myself because I did not spend $100 and change for this fabric. Hey y'all, I'm Nikita. Welcome to OhSewFly, our channel where we'll discuss a lot of sewing with a dash of mommying. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell for notifications. So you're here for my fall fabric haul, and I have a lot of fabric to show you, so let's just do this. The first set of fabrics I'm going to show you all, I got them from fabrics.com. First fabric I want to show you all is this double brush jersey, and I know that this is not a fall color at all, but I saw it and I had to get it. It was in the as is section on their website, and I liked it, so I bought me 2 yards. The next fabric was a steal. It was one of Julie's picks, so it was about either between $11 or $13 a yard, and I got it for $3 and some change a yard. And it is also a double brush jersey, so it's really soft. It's like super soft. It's floral. I'm not really into florals like that, but I liked it. I saw it, I liked it, and I got 3 yards of it, and so hopefully I can make myself a dress. I was thinking about the Tilly and the Buttons Joni dress only because I already have that pattern cut out from my last project. Next, a cotton corduroy, and I really like this. And no, this is not like a fall color, winter color, but it is so pretty. And as soon as I saw it, I thought about my girls. The corduroy, it's really fine. It's pretty fine. And so I thought about making them a jumper or a skirt. Like, I definitely can make them something cute out of this. And I ended up buying 3 yards, so technically I could probably squeeze something out of it for myself. Yeah, but I really like this, and I am so excited to make my boobs some with this. Next, we have a bunch of different wools. So they have a wool bundle that you can get. It's 10 yards and it costs $49.99. And I've never sewn with wool before, so I just kind of wanted to try some different things. And I thought this would be a good deal, which it really was. So the first one is a black wool lycra blend. And I got 1 7/8 yards in this. I definitely saw like a pencil skirt, something a staple to be made out of this fabric for the winter. Next in this wool bundle is this maroon wool, and this is a crepe, and I really like the color. They gave me 2 3/4 yards, and this fabric, it had this sticker on it, the Rosen and Chaddock. Can you see it? Yeah, it had this on it, and I remember Viv Mom Sews. She has this whole YouTube video where she talks about going to Fabric Mart Fabrics and how there's all of these fabrics from Rosen and Chaddock and how they're like super expensive fabrics that she's getting at a steal. And so when I saw the price tag of $63.95 on it, I was kind of feeling myself because I did not spend $100 and change for this fabric. Next fabric is this green wool. They gave me 2 yards. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I got 1 1/8 yards of this winter white, so that's what it looks like on one side, and this is what it looks like on the other side. And this fabric was also one of the fabrics from Rosen and Chaddock, and so this one it's a Brisbane wool viscose winter white, and it was $98.95 a yard. The last fabric in this bundle is this wool, and they gave me 2 3/4 yards. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll figure it out. And finally, from Fabric Mart Fabrics, I got 3 different style of buttons because when I put the wool bundle in my cart, I thought to myself, if I'm having wool, I have to make a jacket. Granted, I know I don't have enough to make a jacket, but I'm excited now about the possibility of making a coat. And so I bought these 3 outerwear buttons. This is a bronze metal, and this came in a pack of 20 for $1.50. And then here's the other one. You know those buttons that you kind of like hook over, use a little hook. And these were 10 for $1. And then my favorite one is this ivory bone button. And these were also 10 for $1. I'm really excited about using this one. And so when I get my skills up and I make something really nice, I'm gonna put these on it. So the next few fabrics I got them from fabric.com. And this first one you would have seen in my October sewing plans video, which is a stretch purple velvet. It was so difficult to work with, but we'll talk about that another time. This next fabric is a stretch charmeuse satin, and I got 3 yards of it. I like the color, it looks good on my skin, so I bought it. And finally, my last fabric from fabric.com. I got 1.5 yards of this super cute French terry. And as soon as I saw it, it's in mustard. Mustard looks really, really good on my girls. I immediately thought about making them something super fly. Well, the older one, I really thought about making her something, so we'll see. And this final bonus fabric, I did not purchase, but my mom gifted it to me. She gifted me 6 yards of this Ankara fabric. And I like it. I have a pattern in mind for this fabric, but I'm not sure if it's going to work yet, so we'll kind of see. So that's it for my fall fabric haul. If you have any ideas of what I should be sewing, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell for notifications. Be sure to check out my last video, my October sewing plans, and I will see you in my next video. Deuces!